Now, gone for 24 and 3-2. Second wicket down for 83 in the ninth over. Again, it's all about the keeper. Even the bowler doesn't look too excited. 50 for Ben Duckett. Back to the ground. We've hit 150 in the test match. He's made 50 of just 26. He's been far in his innings so far.
Yeah, very, very good and appreciated by his teammates.